Hey, welcome back to Campus Tech. I have 14 Pro Max on my desk. So look at this, right now it's dead, but it shows the green screen sometime, which means that screen need to be replaced. So let's open it so you'll see this is the green light it shows. On the bottom is screen actually bleeding, which means it has no display. So let's open it and see. So after heating up, I have this tool. We can just put it on the bottom. You can easily peel off from the bottom with this sharp tool, but be careful, it's very sharp. So you can use this thing. So look at this on the corner, it has more adhesive tape, which is need to be careful because it has a connector on the sides. So look at this. So it's not peeling off, but this is only the glass is peeling off, but the inner thing is not, which is actually detaching from the plastic piece. So I am now removing that plastic from the body. Look at this. So that's how you can just do it. So here is it. It's kind of open. You can open this from like book style. So these corners are giving me a little trouble, but everything is okay. You can see how strong is the adhesive. So it has a bunch of screws. So let's unscrew this. So after unscrewing everything, just take out this metal plate, and you'll see this is a battery. So detach it. This is the screen, and here's a sensor connector. Be careful when detaching this. So now you can easily remove your screen from the body. So now we want to remove this thing. We need to remove this thing. So just need a flip screwdriver, one here. Only two screws on the back side of the screen, and then you can just detach this metal plate. And here is a sensor. So be careful when you're just peeling off. So this sensor has adhesive underneath that. So be careful with all sensors, because look at this, is it's very thin layer down there. Be careful. So this is the one connector you'll see, and other one you can go from there. See. So after removing this sensor, make sure it's not broken, nothing. So just remove this old screen, and here's a new screen. So let's open it. So that's simple. Just put this sensor back to the place and screw it. So after putting back everything, let's connect the screen to the phone and make sure don't put too much force on it. So this is a sensor connector, and this one is an LCD connector. So after those two, just put the battery very last. So in this phone I normally just connect, because most of the 99.9% of the screen are good. So I'll save my time, align properly and screw them. So after all screws, so let's turn it on. So while it's turning on, just clean a little bit down the camera. It has some dust here, right there. So make sure everything's okay. So it's now turns on. So just make sure the touch is working before close. Now it's working. So just align from the top first, and the bottom, and here and there. So this is giving me a little time to just press a little bit down so you can easily set up. So after this, with this, see, now it's just properly placed, and make sure the screen touch is working before we do the final screw. Touch is working. So those are the bottom screws. So look at this. So do this first, and this is the other screw. This is very easy screen repair, but the 14 is even easier than this. So let's turn on. Right now it's dead, so I have to plug in, but it's working right now. So if you, that's everything for today. If you like that video, thumbs up, share with your friend, and see you in the next one.